Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your Ford Taurus if you locked your keys inside. Okay, so I always come over to the passenger side of a vehicle. I use Access Tools Super Air Jack. This is an airbag bladder that fills with air. You can get this by calling their phone number or going on their website. Just take this and deflate it, stick it into the door like so. If you don't have one of these, you can go to Home Depot and buy one out of the door and window aisle. Or you can use a wood or plastic wedge like a door stopper. Stick that in there, pump it up. When it fills with air, it'll start to pry the door outward. And you just really need like a 1/2 inch gap, just enough to get like a 1/4 inch metal rod in there. And that is Access Tools Green Reach Tool, which is a 1/4 inch metal rod coated in plastic. Has a rubber tip on the end of it, so it won't tear up your door panels or scratch or crack your windshield. And it has this little handle on the end so you can make all your maneuvers. And you can get that by calling Access Tools or going on their website, or you can go to Home Depot and buy a 1/4 inch metal rod, bend it up, tape up the tip of it and the metal of it, and slide it through your door. All right, then when you get the tool in there, just come over here to the door handle, hook that inside door handle, which is kind of the newer style, so you got to rotate your tool upside down and hook it like that. Rotate it upside down, which is going to hook it like so, and then just pull it. Boom. Alright, there you go. Alright, now that I got the vehicle opened up, just to show you with a better view, what I'm doing is coming through the door like so with the reach tool. It doesn't mess up your weather stripping or your paint. I'm going to come down here, I'm going to get behind this door handle. And any Ford that's on the market, if you pull the inside door handle, it will unlock it. So we're just gonna get our reach tool in like this. We're gonna rotate up underneath, pushing forward. That's gonna hook it, and we're gonna pull the handle. And once we do that, it unlocks it, and you're good to go. You see it doesn't mess up the door panel, doesn't scratch the glass or anything, doesn't mess up the paint. And when you shut the door, it's nice and tight and flush, how it was anyway when we started, because it has had a few unlocks and it's ownership. So all right, y'all, there you go. That's how to unlock your Ford Taurus. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop me a comment, let me know if I helped you out like that guy did, and I'll see you, or you'll see me, on the next video. Bye now.